Let's be honest here, gentlemen. We all pay attention to them. Though the real question is this: do you truly know how to handle them properly? Most men spend under 2 minutes focusing on a woman's chest before rushing on to everything else. Such a waste, because her chest isn't only a visual attraction. It is one of the most emotionally rich and highly sensitive areas on her entire body. When you know exactly what you're doing, you can make her pulse quicken, her breathing shake, and her whole body react without even moving further. Today we are going to talk about how to create that closeness and pleasure with intention. Stick around because I'm sharing 9 powerful techniques to please a woman through touch, focus, and connection. Methods that not only feel incredible, but make her feel intensely wanted. Before we begin, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss future videos that help you understand women mentally, physically, and emotionally. I'm Dr. HANA Kim, specialist in men's sexual health. All right, let's begin. 1. The influence of words. One of the most overlooked ways to turn her on begins long before you ever lay a hand on her, with your voice. Compliments do work, but they must feel genuine. Skip empty lines and speak what you honestly feel right then. Murmur how stunning she looks when her chest rises with every breath. Tell her what you adore about the way she responds to your touch. When you speak like that, your words become a form of energy. Energy carries power. The right tone and a slow pace can build anticipation faster than any touch. Remember, confidence isn't about being loud. It comes from speaking steadily, with purpose, and meaning each word. 2. Take your time. This rule is absolutely crucial. If you ever wondered what separates an unforgettable lover from an average one, it is patience. Many men hurry. They go too fast, too early. Women respond to slow build-up, not quick motion. Begin gently. Slide your hands along her sides. Explore her shoulders and pause wherever her breathing shifts. The secret is avoiding the obvious spots right away. Her mind is the strongest erogenous zone she has, and your mission is to awaken it slowly, not overload it. Move slower than you believe you should. When you think the moment is right, wait just a few seconds more. That pause is the spark of real magic. 3. The mix of firmness and softness. Touch shouldn't only be delicate. It needs variety. She wants to feel desired yet also secure in your hands. That means combining gentle affection with confident pressure. Hold her with certainty, though never squeeze too strongly. Glide between tender caresses and subtle firmness. This balance lets her sense both your desire and your control, 2 things that heighten excitement instantly. It tells her you are not simply touching. You are paying attention through touch. 4. Do not overlook the details. Here is where many men get it wrong. They focus only on the most obvious part and forget everything surrounding it. Truthfully, the outer areas, her stomach, her collarbone, her sides, all boost sensation when touched correctly. Think of it like tuning an instrument. You don't slam the loudest note at the start. You warm it up first. Explore the small contours and curves. The more care you show to spots that often go ignored, the stronger her entire body's reaction becomes. 5. Use your mouth skillfully. Time to mention one of your most effective tools, your lips. Your mouth does more than kiss. It creates rhythm and sensation. You can outline slow circles, breathe lightly across her skin, and shift between gentle warmth and a cool exhale. The crucial rule here is patience. Do not dive into strong intensity right away. Begin with soft, subtle contact. Let her lean into the feeling. Let her crave more without saying a word. By doing this, you give her mental permission to crave more, and that is exactly where deep desire begins to grow. 6. Communication is the true superpower. There is something rarely mentioned in conversations like this. The most intimate experience isn't actually physical. It is emotional communication. Ask what she enjoys. Watch how her body responds. If you are ever unsure whether she likes something, ask confidently, not nervously. When she notices that her comfort and pleasure matter to you, she loosens up. That relaxation creates the base for genuine pleasure. Keep in mind, curiosity shows emotional maturity. The more eager you are to learn, the more she trusts you to explore further. 7. Experiment with sensation. This is where imagination becomes useful. No pricey gadgets or wild ideas required, only variety. Play with temperature shifts. Try a gentle, cool touch, a light breeze, then a warm kiss afterward. You can even test out different textures like feathers, silk, or simply the back of your hand. It's about waking up every nerve and showing her that pleasure can come from surprising places. Changing sensations keeps her mind intrigued and her body reacting. 8. Combine sensations. If you want to elevate the experience even more, mix different forms of touch together. When one hand focuses on one area, let the other roam elsewhere. When your lips are busy, let your fingers add slight movement too. The reason? The human brain adores contrast. When she feels multiple signals at once, warmth here, pressure there, a whisper by her ear, her senses overload in the most incredible way. That kind of stimulation sparks curled toes and held breaths. 9. Build emotional intensity. Most importantly, never forget that physical pleasure represents only half of what creates real intimacy. True connection isn't about the action itself, but the emotion behind it. Look her directly in the eyes. Smile when she reacts. Let her witness that her pleasure excites you, not only physically but emotionally. That shared energy forms a loop between you both. When she feels seen, valued, and desired, her body naturally responds. No gimmicks required. At this point, you've likely realized something important. Exceptional intimacy is not about technique. It is about awareness. These 9 ideas aren't a checklist. They are a way to understand what women connect with, emotionally and physically. When you focus on connection rather than performance, you stop being just a guy trying to please her and become a man who knows how to share pleasure. That shift changes everything, so take it slow. Explore with intention, speak with certainty, listen closely, and remember that the goal isn't perfection. The goal is presence. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me which of these 9 insights surprised you the most. Did one make you pause and think? Did anything help you understand yourself or your partner differently? Here's the truth. Learning about connection is not only about chemistry or attraction. It's about awareness, that quiet confidence that comes from paying attention. It is about respect, allowing someone else's feelings to exist beside yours. It is about presence, being all in without ego or distraction. The more we understand this, the stronger our relationships become, not only in intimacy, but throughout everyday life. That is the mission of this channel, helping you build true confidence, deeper bonds, and lasting emotional strength. This is your sexual health expert reminding you that confidence isn't control. It is awareness, respect, and authentic connection. Keep improving, keep learning, and keep showing up for the ones you love. Because the more care and understanding you give, the more returns to you. Until next time, stay confident, stay kind, and remember, connection is where everything starts.